Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be Experiment with Me, where I try something new on camera, bring you along on my journey of trying something new. So, what I'm doing today is a blue glitter eye look. So I haven't worn blue eyeshadow since like middle school, when, way back in like the early 2000s um, when people were wearing blue eyeshadow and they wore it horribly. That was probably the last time I wore blue eyeshadow. And it's been kind of coming back, so I'm gonna try again with my newfound makeup skills, and we're gonna throw some glitter on that. I've never put loose glitter on my face in my life, and I'm interested to see how this turns out. I get to look up somebody else doing it first to see how to do it, and we're gonna give it a shot. So while my husband is watching TV, I'm doing this. So I'm dipping into a bunch of different palettes here just for whatever I need. I have my Beauty Killer palette by Jeffree Star, and then I also have, I got these. They're individual shadows. I've got, this one is from Sephora, and then these two are from Morphe. So, I'm already primed. I've got my face base on. Let's get started on my eyes. So, the first shade I'm going to go into is China White from my Beauty Killer palette. Right here. All over. I'm going to go in with my Sephora. It doesn't tell me the shade name on here, but it's like a really light blue. It's got a shimmer to it. We're going to use this as a transition shade, using my same brush that I used for my base. Okay, so next for my crease, this is in the shade Sapphire. I don't know if it'll let you see that. So I'm going to take my crease brush. I'm going to go into Sapphire. Okay, so next I'm taking Expensive from the Beauty Killer palette. I'm going to take that on a little shader brush, and I'm going to go all over my lid with this. This is going to be a base for the glitter. Now the glitter is a lot darker than this shade, but we're experimenting, so let's see how it goes. Then for underneath my eyes, I'm going to do that right away. I'm going to use the shade See Through My Eyes from Morphe. The little chiseler brush thing here. Okay, now time for the fun stuff. So I have this little sample of Too Faced glitter glue that I'm going to use before busting open my NYX glitter glue primer, glitter primer. I'm just going to peel that open just a little bit so I don't like totally dry it out. Is there instructions on the back? I'm supposed to apply this to bare lids. Obviously my lids are very bare. Okay, so I think I got that pretty okay there. Now I'm going in, I got my NYX glitter in blue. Yeah, there's no like shade name on this or anything. Oh, okay, a bunch of this has already come out. What do I have to do to get this to go on my eyes? Can I just do dry brush? Yes, I can do a dry brush. I have a lot of glitter fall out under my eye, and my normal method of just sweeping away eyeshadow is not working. A little bit. I've seen people use tape to pick up excess glitter. Now, I'm not about to go find some tape for this, so we're just gonna leave it at that. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with my glitter, except for the fact that it is all over my face now. Can you see that? No. Maybe tiny bits. Should we do bright, like Breakfast at Tiffany's on the waterline? Or should we do dark, like, what is this? Blue Velvet on the waterline. We're gonna do Breakfast at Tiffany's because it's fun to do a bright pop and waterline. Okay, just because we're going all out, going all blue, I have a blue eyeliner. I know this would probably look better with black, but what the hell, we're having fun with it. So I have my Rock Glitz Diamond Dazzle Liquid Liner by J-Cat Beauty in shade Frozen Island. And I'm going to make my winged eyeliner out of this. Probably not going to see it much on my lid because it's blue like the rest of my eye. Okay, unfortunately, I do not have any blue mascara or lashes of any sort. I'm going to do my Lancome Hypnose Drama. Okay, I'm going to put on some falsies. I'm going to do that off camera because it's going to take me a hot minute to do because I'm really bad at doing falsies. So, BRB. I'm going to go do those. Okay, so I am back with lashes on. Can you see them? Can you see them? I got them on, sort of. I mean, they're as on as I think that I can get them. so we're going to move on to highlighting. I'm going to go in first with my Moonchild's Glow Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I could not decide between Blue Ice and Blue Moon, but I think Blue Ice looks a little bluer. So we're going to do Blue Ice, which is this shade up here. I'm going to do that, set that down as a base highlight first. I'm using Morphe M310. We're just going to brush that on the cheeks. We're going to bust out our Northern Lights. What is this? Supreme Frost palette. Guess what shade we're going to be using? This one. That one is Below Freezing. I'm going to use my finger. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to see if I can adjust my lighting in here to allow you to like see the glow. Here we go. So I'm going to go in for lips next with my ColourPop Lippie Sticks Primer. And I'm going to go on my lips with Jeffree Star's You're Still on the Property. Now I have a few blue liquid lips, but this one's like Walmart blue and sparkly. So I think it's the best one. Okay, so here's our little monochrome blue look. What do you think? Not terrible. I don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. I kind of like it. It's fun. I love it. Makes my teeth look nice and white. So, here it is. Bye.